Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to do a little quick wild and wacky Wednesday video with a little maintenance that nobody really thinks about very often, and that is these guys, your key fob that might come with your Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson has been using key fobs for quite a while now, and this little guy needs to be in range so that your bike will start. And the thing about these is they have a battery in them. If the battery goes dead, say you're stopped somewhere on the side of the road, taking a whiz or whatever, this battery goes dead for whatever reason, your bike is not going to start, whether it's in proximity or not. And then you end up having to try and enter your PIN in the security system, and God forbid if you forgot it, don't know what it is, or don't even know how to access the PIN to begin with. So Harley recommends that you change the battery in these every 2 years. And seeing as how I have a 2024 Fat Boy, it is 2026, it is time to change the battery. And pretty simple, that's what we're gonna do. Okay folks, here is our key fob, and all we're gonna do is take one of these, a nice little flathead screwdriver, and we're going to put it right in that notch there and gently pry the two halves apart to get to our little battery. Okay, we got her open, and that's what she looks like inside. So all we're going to do is going to put another little screwdriver in there just to pry that battery out. And of course, I've got a new one here, which I purchased from Harley Davidson. Cost a few bucks, so it's pretty inexpensive just to go ahead and get this changed up. Easy, no problems whatsoever. We're just going to change this battery, put the halves back together, and we are done. So there you go, folks. A little quick maintenance. Only costs a few bucks to change this, but may save you the money on a possible tow. And that is going to do it for today, folks. That's all I wanted to say. So until next time, you guys stay safe on the roads, and I will catch you in the next one.